making is what's called croque monsieur. Alright, enough. Enough. Mwah. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, I'm bringing you you guys not seen my face this morning because I just rolled out of bed and give Tyler his bottle and making him some porridge, and I'm about to make breakfast for Babe and I. So you guys can't see my face just yet. So as usual, you guys know Tyler love his oats porridge, so I'm making some oat porridge for him. And then in the meantime, I'm just gonna make some breakfast for Babe and I, which I'm actually going to make fried green press plantain, and I'm going to be filming that video. So you guys that's been asking me how I fry my green press plantain can go over to my food channel, and you'll see the technique that I use to get my green press plantain melting and tasting really good in your mouth. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Happy Sunday. It is Sunday, you guys. So I'm just making breakfast. The boys are outside. Oh, Babe's naked. So as I'm about to show you guys my naked man outside, my battery dead, but I decided to show you guys my face anyway because I don't care. Okay, I don't care. I don't care how I look when I wake. My hair is all messy and who cares? This is all me when I wake, okay? So take it or leave it. Breakfast is ready and everybody's happy. It's time to grub, you guys. Hungry. Our bodies have been so tired. Thank you, baby. Our bodies have been so tired. We've been sleeping all morning, or should I say all early afternoon. We have been just sleeping non-stopping, and we just woke up. As you can see my face, just wake face, here look cray cray. Tyler is awake and he's having some snack. He's having popcorn. Do you want to give them some of your popcorn? Thank you. Please.
Peace.
You want to blow them kisses? Say hello. Say hi, hi. Say hello.
Oh.
Hello. You want to give mama kisses? I love you. All right, you guys, Tyler's having afternoon snack and I am just having lunch, and this is what I'm going to have right now. Babe already woke up a good while before us, and he already ate and they're just messing around. Keep it light today, not overdoing it too much today at all because our bodies are really tired. Thank you. Give it to mama. You don't eat this one. Our bodies are really tired and a little rest is good. I just watched my girl kill Diamond League. Congrats once more, Elaine. You did us proud, my love, as always.
Accident.
Tu vas trop vite, accident.
Go! We are heading to the park. Let Taylor have a little playtime, seeing that we are jamming it light today. So we are just at the big botanic park just close to home. Going to have a little fun time with T-Bear, and everybody's all decked out in green today. As per usual, we're forever matching. Go baby, go! Bravo! Man, all these flowers are dried up. Go baby, go, it's okay. Go. No. You hear the other babies crying, so you're gonna cry. It's okay, it's okay. Go. Good job. Come on. Come. Come, 1, 2, 3, go! Good job, baby. Go, look, look. Tyler wanted to stop to the pool, so we just stopped to the pool for a short little dip in with him. And now I am hungry and I have been dying to eat. Yes, baby. This French special thing that I love eating, and I haven't eaten it in years. What baby's making is what's called croque monsieur. I'm going to film it for you one day, so I'm not going to show you guys exactly what he used and how he's doing it. So basically what he have in there is cheese and ham and cheese on top of it, and then we're going to put egg on top of this when it finished baking in the oven.
You put egg?
See the egg there?
Okay. Croque madame.
Croque madame is with the egg? Yeah. And croque monsieur is without the egg? Okay. So I guess we're making croque madame and not croque monsieur. Because he says croque madame is with the egg and croque monsieur is without the egg. So this right now would be croque monsieur after it finished baking, and then the egg on top of it would have been croque madame. So this is gonna go in the oven right now, and I don't like that cheese, so mine don't have any cheese on the top. All right, you guys, so this is the end result of my madam. It's a little bit dark because babe and I didn't want it, and by the time we look back it was so dark. So that's mine. That's the end result for babe. As you can see, it's a little bit brown, but you get the concept.
Hey, Spider-Man. You're Spider-Man tonight? So don't call off all of your friends tonight. Yeah. That's your new piece from shopping. Wow.
Wow. Wow. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Give them kisses. Say bye.
Bye.
Say I love you.
Hello.
Oh, give me bisou. Mwah. Give Papa bisou. Papa bisou, bisou, bisou. Ah. Mwah. Oh. Mwah. 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 All right, let's go to bed.
You want to kiss the camera.
He forever does that. All right, enough. Enough. Mwah. All right, stop kiss out my lens. You wanna give all the faves kisses? Hey faves, of course Tyler is off to bed, and I just finished giving this one a fresh cut so he can look handsome for work tomorrow. Look at him modeling the haircut though. Huh?
Yeah, I need to shave.
Yes, you do. As this hair stick me when he doesn't shave. So Tyler is off. No, baby. Tyler is off to bed, you guys, and I just finished giving babe a haircut, and I can see the battery blinking. And today was a good day actually. It turned out to be better than I thought it would have been. As usual, nothing went as planned, but I didn't give you guys any Jamaican expression for today. So let's see. The Jamaican expression for today is going to be picky picky head gyal.
Easy.
If somebody in Jamaica said to you that you have picky head gyal, simply mean you have a terrible hair. As Africans, your hair texture can be
picky head gyal.
Who are picky head gyal? Me?
Picky head gyal.
Me, I don't know picky head gyal. Anyway, if somebody says
me, I know a lot of picky head gyal.
you say you know a lot of picky head.
I'm not gonna give any name, but I know a lot of picky head gyal.
If somebody said to you you're a picky head gyal, they simply say that your hair needs to comb and you have a bad texture of hair as Africans. Alright you guys, so that's the Jamaican expression for today, and babe already gave it to you. So what's the French word or expression for today?
I think about it earlier, and it's gonna be être comme chien et chat. Être comme chien et chat. Simply mean like être is like to be like dog and cat. Mean you're like friends, but you always
fighting.
Always fighting. So your friends, you always think it's not like you're fighting and you don't talk to them. No, your friends, you're talking, but you're always fighting to each other. So it's like you are like dog and cat.
Yeah, I understand.
Say it, être comme chien et chat.
Être comme chien et chat.
Right. It's just the être, you mash
You
up
know the R.
But after you got it right.
Alright, you guys, so there you guys have the French expression for today. And my battery died, so I had to go change the battery and come back. Alright, you guys, again,
And we see you guys tomorrow.
Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below because we love chatting with you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we will see you guys tomorrow.
And we will see you guys tomorrow. And we will see you guys tomorrow.
Bye guys.
And we will see you guys